These are two fast charging smartwatches that money can buy right now in the market. The Apple Watch Series 8 and the TicWatch Pro 5. But which is better? Which will take the crown as the fastest charging smartwatch in the market? Hey guys, Big Phil here, and welcome back to another video where we're going to be comparing two flagship smartwatches which I consider them to be the fastest charging smartwatches that money can buy. The Apple Watch Series 8, I've been using it for so many months now, and I love how fast you could charge that smartwatch. I mean, just drop it on a charge. In a matter of 10 minutes, you will have enough juice that's going to last you many hours. The TicWatch Pro 5, I've been using it for about a week now, but I love how fast you could top up that smartwatch. From 0 to 60 minutes, it's under 30, from 0 to 60%, please, it's under 30 minutes, really fast. So these two smartwatches are incredible when it comes to charging them. I have other flagship smartwatches here, like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but it's super slow. It charges really slow. The Huawei Watch GT3 Pro or the Watch 3 Pro, it's also very slow to charge it from 0 to 100%. But these two right here, the Apple Watch Series 8 and the TicWatch Pro 5, are the two fastest. They are the watches that you can forget to charge them at night. You get up in the morning and you just drop them on the charge. In a matter of minutes, you will have enough juice that's going to last you so many hours. And I'm working on the full review of the TicWatch Pro 5. So if you guys want to know how well that smartwatch has been doing, just make sure to stay tuned for the full review video coming up very soon. Or if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so you won't miss out that video. So I've decided to do this testing at a time when the temperature is good, because high temperature can affect the charging speed of a smartwatch. So I'm going to do it at the right time, at a low temperature time, so we'll be able to have a perfect result between these two smartwatches. So right now the batteries are completely dead, 0%. As you can see right here, both smartwatches completely gone. And I'm going to plug both smartwatches at the same time. And the time right now is 19:48. So that's 7:48 p.m., which I think is the right time here in Thailand because the temperature have dropped very well. So this is a great time to charge these two smartwatches.
You in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees, rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I'll hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you, now wanna be alone. I lie for you.
So it's exactly 1 hour right now since I plug in these two smartwatches on charge. And the TicWatch Pro 5 has 83% right now, while the Apple Watch Series 8 has 48%. So the TicWatch is winning, guys. Wow, just 1 hour, I'm having 83%. That's really fast. But let's see how long it's going to take to have it at 100%. Alright guys, we got a new champion here. The TicWatch Pro 5 is officially the fastest charging smartwatch in the market right now. I plug in these two smartwatches at exactly 7:48 and right now it's 9:20. So that's around 90 minutes. So it took 90 minutes from 0 to 100% on the TicWatch Pro 5, while the Apple Watch is still at 74%. Here, So the TicWatch Pro 5 is incredibly fast. This is a smartwatch that you can charge at any time for a few minutes, and you'll be able to have enough juice that's going to last you so many hours. Yes, we got a new champion, guys, the TicWatch Pro 5. Yeah, and that's all for this video, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts about the TicWatch Pro 5? And if you want to know more about this smartwatch, I've done other videos about the TicWatch Pro 5. I'm going to drop the link of all those videos in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. See you into the next one. Peace.